I don't think she knew that he was up there. I'm pretty sure the box blinded her. She didn't know that he was in there, or he was there. She was like, she couldn't see. Yep, that's Nova, that's Draco. He's outside. Hey, that's not necessary. Nova, no, that's not necessary. You don't need to do that. You don't need to do that. Get your head, son. Hey, the box was not me and you. That was not the box. There's nothing left. Oh, dang it. Woo! Gotcha! Woo! Woo! Hey! Hey! Woo! 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 Nova! You sure you want a wolf dog? How am I not scared and trying to eat? Because if you're scared, then they will take advantage of you and they will bully you. Nova. Come here. Come here. You're done. You're done. You're done. You're done. You're done. Jessica, thanks for joining the team, Jessica. Wolf dogs are not like normal dogs. Oh.